Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser. Now go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.5 LTS version. Select it. If you are unable to find the version in this list, click on this archives. There you will find all versions, all older versions. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the version from 22. Then select the version. See, once you selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle package. Click on download. Then click on no thanks. Just start my download. See, download started and its size is 489 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.5 for Ubuntu 24.04 and it is tar file. We have to untar. It contains list of Debian package. tar-xf. Then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian, enter tar file name. Hit enter. It is done. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, we install the following packages: sudo dpkg, sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Okay. See, we have successfully installed. Now ls. Now install these Debian packages. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. So it will install all Debian packages. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.5. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Ignore these errors. But anyway, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.5. See, we have successfully installed Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.5. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.4.5. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create data. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. Control A. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the current database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify the list of the tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create. Now verify table, show tables. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify again. See, we have created user. Okay, now we will see how to connect to MySQL server with this user. So we have to exit from the current user. So exit is the keyword to exit. Then connect with new user. MySQL -u. New username is David-P. Then provide the password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the bank database. See, we are unable to access because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Now exit from the MySQL server. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server on Ubuntu 24.04. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, it is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL is inactive or dead. Okay. Now start it. Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server when it is stopped. -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify again. See, MySQL is started 2 seconds ago. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. Control it. Exit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, if you want to download and install dbeaver, MySQL Workbench, go to this download. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then we have to select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then we have to download package. ls, these files are not required anymore. rm start.deb. ls, we have one more file. Remove this MySQL tar file as well. MySQL, give the tab. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.5 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.